Hey folks, here are a few gates that I made with different latches. Um, this one's kind of a simple little pull latch. I made a little stop down here. I'll show you what that does here in a second, but kind of opens fairly easy and closes. There you go. Pretty tight. So this little guy down here, let me show you what that does. So let me open this. So I was thinking ahead and figured that over time this big heavy gate is going to sag and possibly start pulling this post over here off center, and so I decided to put this as a support mechanism to allow this guy here to rest on top of it. And when it does rest on top of it, it brings the gate square and should keep things from sagging over time. These are just oak banisters that I had laying around, cut them up and used them for this purpose. We'll see how they hold up over time, but we had a ton of rain recently, so things are a bit nasty, but anyways, this is gate number one. Kind of a simple sliding lock, and I made these hinges as well. We'll see how they do, but let's go to gate number two. So here is gate number two, kind of the same setup, only a different type of latch. So this one is a lever. Just kind of turn that, and there we go. Let me show you what that looks like on the other side. And once again, you'll notice this looks familiar. This is a little piece of a banister as well, and that just locks down like that, and it's not going anywhere, I don't think, at least for a while. And this one, I actually did not put a little brace down here yet. This gate turned out to be a little lighter than the other one, and I don't know, I think I'm gonna need a brace, but haven't gotten there yet. So let's go to gate number three. So here's gate number three, and this one I think I like the best, but this is lever action. Just kind of pull or pop that, and what that does is release that guy in there, and voila. So there it is from this side. Now this one has a few other features. This one I did include some bracing on, same as gate number one, but I also made a little wheel to help, because this one seemed to be sagging more than the other, and I think it's because, well, I know it is, that this corner post is supporting this big heavy gate at a 90-degree angle, and it has no support mechanism coming across this way. It's only the support for this post is all going this way, and so there's not a whole lot to keep the post from kind of flexing this way. And so to get it to a 90, or to get it square, I put this wheel down here to kind of help it slide up into position. Down here it's getting real dark. Let me see if I can help that. But so that wheel just helps close the gate. Made these little handles on it too, but and it's locked and unlocked. And there it is. Yes. See my paint overspray. I'll be fixing that. So I'll be doing some more videos on these hinges, and maybe another video or two on these latches, but like I said, this is probably my favorite. Real easy to do, and it's our little garden area, and tower with the zip line going out yonder. But I'll have some more videos about this fence. It's been quite a project. The paint, I know, is not the best looking. I have not been too pleased with how it looks, but it is very durable. It's a oil-based fence paint from Tractor Supply, and this stuff is pretty hardy, but I've had a few issues with it as far as applying it, but all in all, I seem to like it. More to come.